Is your Lexus LS600h key fob not working reliably? A weak battery is the likely culprit. Replacing it is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video covers everything you need to know to replace the battery in your 2008-2012 Lexus LS600h key fob. For replacing your Lexus LS600h key fob battery, you'll only need a couple of simple tools. First, a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the fob. Alternatively, a dedicated key fob opener tool, which is specially designed for this purpose and available online for just a few dollars. Finally, a soft cloth can help protect the fob's surface from scratches during the opening process. These basic tools make the replacement process simple and safe. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver into the seam on the side of the key fob. Gently pry the two halves apart. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic clips. Work your way around the seam until the fob separates. Some specialized tools are made of plastic to avoid scratches. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the orientation with the positive side facing up. Use a non-conductive tool, like a plastic spudger or your fingernail, to gently pop the old battery out. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Ensure it sits flush in its housing. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together, ensuring they are securely closed. Test the fob's functions: lock, unlock, and panic button. Do this within 5 to 10 feet of your vehicle to confirm a strong signal. If your Lexus LS600h key fob remains unresponsive after battery replacement, here are the key troubleshooting steps to try. First, double-check the battery orientation. The CR2032 battery must be inserted with the positive side facing up toward the buttons. Incorrect orientation can prevent the fob from functioning. Second, ensure the battery terminals are clean and free of corrosion. Use a soft cloth or cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol to gently clean the contacts in the fob and on the battery. Corrosion can interrupt the electrical connection. Third, consult your Lexus LS600h owner's manual for reprogramming instructions. This usually involves cycling the ignition key and pressing fob buttons in a specific sequence to resync the fob with your vehicle. If problems persist after these steps, visit a Lexus dealership for professional reprogramming. They have specialized equipment to reset the fob and ensure proper security integration with your vehicle. These troubleshooting steps should resolve most issues. Always handle the battery and fob carefully to avoid damage. Always dispose of the old lithium battery properly at a recycling center to prevent environmental hazards and follow safety regulations. Avoid touching the circuit board inside the fob to prevent damage from static electricity, which can permanently harm the electronic components. Consider cleaning the battery terminals with isopropyl alcohol if you notice any corrosion, as this can improve electrical contact and extend fob life. Replacing the battery every 3 to 4 years can prevent unexpected failures and ensure your key fob remains reliable for daily use.